Okay, welcome back to Forestside Cookery School. We're going to make a fantastic lemon and raspberry sponge today. The first stage really is getting all your ingredients together. What I have here is 340 grams of unsalted soft butter, 340 grams of caster sugar, 340 grams of self-raising flour, 6 eggs and a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. This is kind of a classic Victoria sponge but with a bit of lemon zest added to it, so it's really quite simple. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cream my sugar and my butter until it's nice and soft. A wee tip for you, make sure your butter is room temperature. And the whole thing is to get these two amalgamated until they're white and fluffy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. The next thing we want to get is our 6 large free-range eggs. Crack them in there. Beat the eggs here. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to slowly start adding the beaten egg to our butter mix. If your it looks too curdled, you can add a wee bit of flour in, but I can show you it right back. Now, the next part of it is getting our flour into it. I use a sieve, use my self-raising flour, with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. In goes our first third of flour. All we need to put in there now is our lemon zest. I'm going to put the zest of 3 lemons in here, okay? So mix that in again, get that lemon through there. And now what we're going to do is fill our little cake tins up 3/4 full. So they're ready for the oven now. Our oven is set at 180 degrees, and then we're going to bake those for 25 minutes. A couple of things about meringues, I'll tell you the weights, okay? 175 grams of caster sugar and 3 egg whites. I'm using large egg whites here. The next thing I do is I rub the bowl with lemon. I cut the fat, any fat that's in that bowl, out completely, and really helps your meringue. Next thing we're going to do is get our egg. Again, when we're doing our egg, we cannot have any eggshell in there, or egg yolk. We've got our 3 egg whites of our 175 grams of sugar. In goes our first third of sugar. On comes our whisk. The bigger the bowl, the more the aeration you get, and the better your meringue will be. This can take up to 3 to 4 minutes. So the test is, can we turn this upside down? Next, second third goes in. Add this part of the sugar by spoon. And this here will create a lovely crust on the outside of the meringue. So I'm going to colour these. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to fill our piping bag with our lovely yellow meringue. Okay, and then just make our lovely little meringues for our cake. Remember, the meringues will expand a wee bit in size. Okay, we're going to make a lovely simple lemon curd buttercream. Really easy to make. So it's 750 grams of icing sugar, and then we've got 150 grams of soft butter, and then we've got 150 grams of lemon curd. And really all we do here is just simple. We kind of bring it all together. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get lovely raspberry jam. Do you know what? See that lemon and raspberry flavour together? It is terrific. Cut the end of our piping bag. Like so. Make sure that your first kind of outside looks nice and neat. Next, we'll just get a few raspberries in between here. Look at that, it was worth every minute of it. All that prep we've done, the cake baking, the buttercream, we've got the lovely meringues, and I tell you what, bring that to your family gathering or into the office and you will be the star.